Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to unbox the TELESIN U-shape necklace holder mount. Now, this looks like a small thing, but it's going to make a huge difference. Now, unboxing this thing's very easy. Just a flip of the lid. And it has how to mount the camera. So disassembling the camera. Okay, in other words, how to put it on and put it off. And there is a way to lock and unlock the neck mount, and I'll show you that there in a second. Ooh, it has a little adapter. Nice. It has a little extra screw mount. It has some notes here. Let's see what the notes say. It's very small. Oh, it has disclaimers. Please read this statement carefully. Okay. And then, the mount itself. Ha ha ha. Put this off to the side. Okay. Now the way you do this is, as you see, this is where the camera will go. Normally it's a sports camera. Put that right there. We have a cat that's very vocal. I don't know if you can hear it on camera. So as you can see, this part can be put down inside there and it snaps into place. But you have to have it directly on, it looks like. Oh, I just didn't know how to do it. I had it on an angle. You have to put it straight up and down. It does lock into place. On the back side here, there's a button. You push that button, and that's how you get that thing back off. And the reason being is if you click it on, you can't get it over the head. Maybe if you had a smaller head, but I got a big head. Big bald head. I can't get it over the head. So, what you need to do, put it around your neck. Click it in. And this is where, there we go. Click it in, and there you have it. And the cool thing is, look, you can bend it up, you can bend it down. So this is actually very, very flexible, which is really what I like. So pop that off. And now, let me show you how to put the camera on it. And also, what I use it for. Alrighty. So, this is one of my action cameras. So, what we're going to do, we're going to take the base off that we had on there earlier. Pull that off. Then what you do is you just put it on just like you would any other action camera attachment. It is a little tight, which is good. There we go. Put the screw in. There we have it. Screw that in. So now, if you don't tighten that all the way down, but almost down, then you just put this around, pop it on like I showed you before, and now you have, oops, there we go. Now you have the way that you can adjust. You can even kind of see the back of the screen a little bit, and you can go ahead and work on whatever project you're working on, and you have the camera working for you. Pretty cool. And again, if you need to have that down a little more, you can just kind of look down, do your work as you are doing your unboxing or your baking or whatever it is you're doing. And it's right around your neck, hands-free. I love it. Thank you very much for coming along with me for unboxing the TELESIN U-shaped neck holder mount. This thing right here. And as always, have a great day.